So I'm out here camping in Colorado, not too far from where I live, and I wanted to tell you about these leveling blocks that I've used a few times now that are just great. They're made by Andersen hitches, and I'll go ahead and put the link down below in the description if you're interested in these. So I'm used to using traditional leveling blocks, but what's so great about these Andersen blocks is that you just roll on top of them and you can actually get to the correct height you want the trailer to be. They're simple to use, so you just kind of roll on the back of them here. And this is the large piece you roll on, and then this is a wedge to kind of hold it in place when you leave. Now, this one looks kind of funny. This is about the maximum you can push this leveler. So I'm way on the end here, which I've never been this high before, but this is how high I needed to be to get close to the leveling height I wanted to be. But they're easy to use, they're simple, they're pretty well made. Again, they're made by a company called Andersen Hitch, which I purchased on Amazon. And so I'll usually roll on the back of these, and then I'll go ahead and take a look at my leveling. I have a level on top here, and you can see here I'm not perfectly level, but I'm close enough. This way I'm off too, but I have it hooked to the car right now. But I'm pretty close right here, and that's good enough for me. That's where I like to be within that range there. So that's one other item that's almost a necessary purchase. And I generally use them just on one side. I did not buy the kit. They come in a kit with two, but if you scroll down on the page, you can pick just one. And the reason why I just use one on one side usually is because on the other side I have a lock for my trailer wheel. And so I really don't have room to put that in there. You can see the height we got here. I'd say that's good, probably 4 to 5 inches off the ground. Just a lot easier to use than the leveling blocks that I'm used to using, and these work out really good. Also wanted to show you the view from the campsite here. Looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and zoom in on that over there, on that mountain range. And I'm gonna head over there today. That's where the Colorado Trail is. And I'm gonna jump on the Colorado Trail and ride from the Lost Creek Wilderness area to Kenosha Pass on my mountain bike. So I'm gonna head off there in just a few minutes.
Oh, stop there. Let's look here. Pull forward just a hair. Yeah. I am.
Oh, perfect. Pull forward.
Yeah, just a hair. Oh, go back 2 hairs. Went the wrong way. Whoop. Little more. That is close if you want to come take a look.
So now I'm going to go ahead and just take this chalk and actually put it in the bottom here and just secure it appropriately so it doesn't roll on me, especially roll forward. Now I'm going to show you a demo of rolling onto the back of the leveler. In the first part of the video, I went back way too far, which is probably not safe. So this right here is about the perfect placement right there to where you want to level based on where you want to be. You can go either back farther or up farther, depending on how high or not so high you need to go. Now to remove it, I'm going to pull the chalk right here, get it out of the way. I'm going to go back into my car and just roll off of it. And then don't forget to pick it up and throw it into your box, probably your storage box, so you don't leave it there. You definitely don't want to do that.